Alright boys, yesterday I got a Lugia out of my research breakthrough. We're at Smoking Pill Boys right now, which is an Eevee nest, which is pretty dope.
My sister's taller.
Okay, sorry about the super random vlog, but we're going to an alpaca farm now. So this is just crazy.
The girls kind of leave, but the boys are always.
Say what?
A week is like.
Do you have to help them when they're giving birth?
Sometimes.
Oh yeah.
I can show you the shearing table we use to shear them on.
Can we put the...
This caterpillar out here.
Sorry, I just had to stop. I've never seen one like that before.
Lots to eat out here.
I wonder what kind of butterfly it'll be.
You could probably look it up. I
Probably
bet.
one of those big monarchs, you think?
Well, monarchs usually are from those like... They're not as pretty as that. The caterpillars, the monarchs.
I thought it was more like their age. Oh yeah.
And they show you ride around in the helicopter, see it?
Oh, over it. Yeah. She uses this too? This is more manual.
Yeah, it's just a card machine.
Alright, as you can see, the alpaca farm was super dope. It was really awesome. They had all kinds of stuff, but the alpacas, like the little baby alpaca, was so cute. So kind of a random vlog, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna name this, to be honest. My birthday is Friday, June 28th. If you guys want to give me a little present, all you have to do is subscribe. Okay, that was pretty weird. Alright, we're just waiting on Aspen to come over. Now we're gonna go swimming, do some stuff. And I'm not actually gonna be making my birthday vlog till the week after my birthday because of people, like some of my friends are gonna be gone. I want all my friends to be there, you know, I don't wanna like exclude anybody. So you know I'm being a nice person. Alright. I guess I'll see you at the pool. We'll do something there. Okay, we are about to go to the pool. We're about to pick up Jacob too, or Shablaka cakes. Remember back in the day, the OGs. Anyway, failed to mention that I got this dope llama. What's it called? I think it's called a... I forgot what they call it. It's not wool or fur. They call it something different, but anyway, a llama fur bracelet is pretty dope, actually. Well, llama wool. I won't say fur, but we're going to the pool.
Do that. Get that out of my face.
Follow me on TikTok. Oh no, TikTok. Oh no. Dude. Time to take a crap.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And for my birthday, give me a little present and subscribe. We might make a clap your feelings. I don't know. I'm not sure if we have enough time, but I might make a clap your feelings.
40 minutes.
Let's do it.